Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable folding workbenches that are available on the market for their true quality.
My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Ketter Jobmade portable workbench and miter saw table. The resin construction of this portable folding workbench makes it one high-quality option to have. It features the design from heavy-duty resin with aluminum legs, which is so stable and durable. It can withstand up to 1,000 pounds in weight, so that you can work various projects on this workbench easily. At the same time, it also comes with weather-resistant polypropylene construction as well. That is to prevent the whole station from rusting, peeling, and denting. The great thing about this workbench is that it takes less than 30 seconds to set up, which is fast and easy. The workbench comes with a storage space underneath where you can store the legs. It is so compact and lightweight, and you can easily bring it along with no matter where you go. This workbench also comes with 4 holding clamps as well, and that is to secure a variety of working materials. Great quality and performance, this can be the option that you may like. Moving on, at number 4, we have the POWERTEC MT4006 Deluxe Bamboo Workbench. Here we have a portable bench stool stand with bamboo table top and 4 bench dogs. It comes with the multifunctional workbench surface that accommodates a variety of woodworking projects. You can use it for clamping, cutting, painting, and you can even use it as a vise tool or sawhorse. Along with that, this workbench has a built-in storage rack for your tools and other accessories. Not to mention the imprinted metric and protractor scale. Using it is simply convenient and fun. The great thing about it is that it's portable design that allows for easy transport and storage. At the same time, it also features the fully adjustable vise panels for project versatility as well. Plus, with its heavy-duty steel frame, the whole workbench is very tough and sturdy. This is one high-quality portable folding workbench to have, so don't forget to check it out. At number 3, we have the Camco Folding Bamboo Table. Simple and neat, this is one of the best portable folding workbenches to have in mind. It features the bamboo top that is clean and wide, as well as foldable for easy use and storage. At the same time, this table comes with lightweight telescoping aluminum legs with adjustable leveling knob feet. That makes it sturdy and stable, and you can easily adjust the whole thing at your desired height as well. After use, you can fold this workbench into a compact size for easy storage and transport. The whole table folds and unfolds within seconds, which is simply fast and convenient to use. It is compact yet spacious, and you can use it for a wide range of projects and work at your station. This portable folding workbench also comes with a storage bag as well, so bringing it along with is very easy. It can support up to 85 pounds of weight, so let's see if you like this option. At number 2, we have the Craig KWS 1000 Mobile Project Center. With its maximum versatility, you can use this workbench to work on multiple work modes easily. The awesome part is that it has holes on tables that accept bench dogs and other accessories. That way you can easily use and work on it for hours with great versatility. The part that we like the most is definitely the built-in storage trays that hold hardware and parts. At the same time, it does not make the table become bulky at all, as to remain the workbench's compactness. On top of that, this workbench features the heavy-gauge steel legs that provide a solid foundation. Plus, with its auto-adjust bench clamp and 4 bench dogs, this portable folding workbench has everything for you. It is compact, lightweight, and durable, and it makes a great complement in every garage and workstation out there. This is one of the best portable folding workbenches that many users recommend, so don't forget to check it out. And finally, at number 1, we have the Performance Tool W54025 Portable Multipurpose Workbench. Compact yet tough, this workbench can hold up to 200 pounds of working load for you. The awesome part is the tabletop printed with grid, ruler, and protractor that you can use for various projects. That is not all, it even comes with a one-handed clamp system as well. This is to allow for independent adjustment that you can easily manage within seconds using just one hand. Not to mention its jaw-resist warping that allows for adjustment to any angle. This is one great option to choose. The best part is the various holes on the legs that allow for multiple screwdrivers storage. That way, you can easily use your tools within reach, which is absolutely convenient. When not in use, you can easily fold this table into a smaller size for compact storage within seconds. This portable folding workbench is stable and sturdy, and its durability lasts for years of use. Let's see if this one is among the best portable folding workbenches that you like.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.